Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are going to learn natural disaster vocabulary with pictures and example. Number 1. Look at this picture. It is a natural disaster. It is called the cyclone. The correct pronunciation is cyclone. Mostly people call this word cyclone, which is incorrect. This is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is cyclone. Cyclone. Repeat it. Number 2. Look at this picture. It is also a natural disaster. This disaster is called the tornado. Tornado. Mostly people call this word tornado, which is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is tornado. Repeat it after me. Tornado. Number 3. It is also a natural disaster. It is called a hailstorm. Hailstorm. This is hail. A hailstorm. The correct pronunciation is hailstorm. Number 4. Natural disaster. It is called a tsunami. Tsunami. In this word, T is a silent alphabet. We don't pronounce T. The correct pronunciation is tsunami. Number 5. This natural disaster is called a drought. Drought. The correct pronunciation is drought. Mostly people call this word drought. It is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is drought. Drought. Number 6. Volcano. This is volcano. Volcano eruption. Mostly people call this word volcano. This is incorrect pronunciation. Volcano is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is volcano. Volcano. Number 7. This natural disaster is called the blizzard. Blizzard. If you pronounce this word blizzard, so you're right. The correct is blizzard. Number 8. This natural disaster is called the avalanche. The correct pronunciation is avalanche. Mostly people call this word avalanche or avalanche. Those are incorrect. The correct pronunciation is avalanche. Look at this picture. This natural disaster is an avalanche. Number 9. This natural disaster is called the landslide. Landslide. In this word, D is a silent alphabet. We don't pronounce. The correct pronunciation is landslide. Number 10. This natural disaster is called a flood. Flood. The correct pronunciation is flood. Number 11. This natural disaster is called an earthquake. Earthquake. The correct pronunciation is earthquake. Number 12. This natural disaster is called the wildfire. Wildfire. Well done, guys.